Guys, Norman issued an SVR. We also got a flash flying possible. Yeah, they issued an SVR. Flash flying possible through afternoon.
County in southwestern Oklahoma, east central Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Continue development.
10:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Chattanooga.
Look at those SVRs. That's crazy.
Miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Even Lawton is under an SVR.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawton, Walters, Geronimo, Chattanooga, Saxon, and southeastern Fort Sill. For your
Doesn't say
room on the lowest
tornado
floor of the
possible.
building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to
2%.
flash flooding.
Oh, okay. There's
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
well, it's under a marginal risk, and parts of it, it's under a slight risk.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:50.
And I think they're gonna issue an SVA. There's a significant risk for wind right there, so they're gonna issue an
7
SVA.
a.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Cookie Town.